Activating your FNB bank card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have your new card and the accompanying documentation, including your card PIN and customer information. First, visit the FNB website or mobile banking app and log in to your online banking profile using your username and password. If you are not registered for online banking, you will need to register before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the card management section and select the option to activate your new card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number and expiry date. Alternatively, you can activate your card by dialing the FNB customer service number and following the voice prompts to activate your card. You will need to provide your customer information and card details to the representative. After activating your card, you will need to create a PIN. This can be done at an FNB ATM using your new card and the temporary PIN provided with your card. Simply insert your card, enter your temporary PIN, and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new PIN. Best practice is to choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable, and to keep your PIN confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In addition to activating your card, it is recommended that you update your card information on any recurring payment systems, such as online shopping accounts or subscription services, to ensure uninterrupted service. Finally, it is essential to review your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to FNB immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the secure and successful activation of your FNB bank card.